Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I have a real good treat for you today. And I know I say that every day, but I really believe I am bringing you something that you are going to love. And I really love all of you. I appreciate all my subscriber friends, and I really thank you for coming back and checking out to see what I have each and every day, or when you can. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new here, I would ask you to consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Today, I have a friend of mine's first box. I premiered it as a spoiler, one customization a week or so ago, and today I have my box because yes, she shipped that fast. It went live on November 21st and she is selling her boxes now. And there is opportunity for you to buy a box if you're interested in what you see. So I want to show you. It came in the mail and it is uniquely nested. And this is by Monique of Monique's Unique Critique. She has a YouTube channel. She is a great lady and she has wonderful taste. And she has created her own lifestyle decor box. And it's kind of a mixture of decor and a few little lifestyle items. So it's not just all decor. So you'll see what I mean when we go through here. And I got to choose everything. She had 6 categories. She will have 6 to 7. It's not a regular subscription, meaning right now it's just open to 50. And once she sells these 50 boxes, that will be it for the winter box. And it is going to be quarterly. So the first thing I want to do is, I don't know if she's got a product card in here or not. She's got it packed very nice. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Now guys, she did have a gift for every person that orders in her first box. And I think I will start off with that. This is a gift, and it actually is when you go to check out that it just drops in your box. But this is a cute little tote made of burlap and some linen, and it is so cute. She's got a little bow tied on there, and I think I'm going to leave that. But inside here, she has another gift. Yes, she sent 2 gifts for her first purchasers of her first box. And I just thought that was such a lovely touch. And if you don't know Monique, you can check her out. You can find out more about her business on her channel at Monique's Unique Critique. But she is just something awesome. And she has, of course, a family. And they all help her out, but look at my little keychain. It's macrame, it looks like. It's in a cream color, and of course I can just clip that right onto my purse. I can put my house keys on there or whatever key I would like to keep. I could even clip it along my little bag here if I wanted to do some decoration and have that hanging down. And I know Tracy had mentioned that we could even get like some flowers and or some eucalyptus and fern that you could stick down in there. Would be real pretty. Some flowers with Christmas coming up. You might could get some little poinsettias and sit down in there. But this is just so cute. And thank you, Monique, for this little gift. It is lovely. And she has everything wrapped up really nice. This is customization number 2. And number 2, we had a choice of a candle and or we had a choice of what I got in here. And you could only choose one. And I decided that because of my style and what I like to wear, I decided on this. And it's wrapped up really nice. Like I said, she's got everything wrapped up really, really good. Protecting everything. And oh my goodness, I'm so glad I chose this. I love this. Wait till you see it. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, Monique, this is beautiful. Now you can wear this like 3 gold by itself, or you can mix it up and have it all together. I'm not sure if that was supposed to be on or off. I'll have to ask her, but isn't that so beautiful? I'm just gonna have to go ahead and put it on. Isn't that beautiful? And you can use it, like I said, you could do all 3. You could just have the gold, you could just have the bracelet, but isn't that so unique? Just like Monique. This is wonderful. Thank you, Monique. Now, the next item that I'm pulling out of here, I think, is customization number 6. And in number 6, we had 2 choices of this, and I picked the blue one. So it's wrapped in blue, And this is some information on there. It's a Mio Garasol decorative soap, and it's so cute. Wait till I get it out of here. Now, this is so cute and looks so real that you want to make sure that you don't have it down where a little child will get a hold of it, because they may think, you'll see what I'm saying, they may think that it's, yeah, real and delicious, and they may want to eat it. And we don't want them eating it, but isn't that just so cute? And remind you guys, this is a soap. This is not a candle, it's not a candy, but it's so delicate. And look at all the intricate, it looks just like a cupcake. It smells really good. Oh, I love that, Monique. That is so cute. And what a nice little decorative piece. And it did come with, like, if you had a cupcake sitting in a cupcake holder there, if you want it sitting down in there. And when I pulled it out, it just lifted right off of there. So you could have it like that. So isn't that cute? And it matches my bracelet with the blues in there. That was customization number 6. Now the next thing that I'm pulling out of here is probably going to be customization number 3. We had several choices, and they were earrings, and you will see which ones that I picked. So, and again, she's got everything just dressed up nicely. We got foozles in here. And inside here we have the earrings that I picked. And I really like these because they were nice and long. They're trimmed in gold. And so they've got tassels on the end. And like with my long hair, then they'll be able to show up a little better. But, you know, you can tell even with long ones, they don't show up real good with my hair. But they do show up a little bit, and I really like that, and it will go with my bracelet set too. Those are really cute, and that's what I picked, and I really like those too, Monique. Thank you. Like I said, she did an excellent job. A couple of these, like if you didn't want a bracelet, she had a candles, so there were different things that you could choose. Now we're going to go to customization number 4, and in customization number 4, we had a choice of puzzles. And you just won't believe this puzzle. You just gotta wait and see. This is just so neat. She had it all wrapped up very nicely. And inside here, and this feels to be like some wax paper to protect the wood, because it's made out of wood. So it's nicely protected, but look at that. This is an owl puzzle. And the pieces can be taken off, and it shows a secret compartment on the inside. Now, I know Wendy was able to get this off, and what you do is you slide this off, because she showed this on her channel. And then you take it apart, you slide it, and then you have a little puzzle piece on the inside that you could hide a treasure inside the owl, and no one would know. And you just slide this back down on here and put it right back in there. And guys, this is going to be embarrassing because I may not be able to put this back together right away. I've got that on there. I know I got to slide this on here. There we go. And then we have to slide the owl's stand back on. Oh yay, I got it. I'm proud of myself because I was afraid I wouldn't be able to do it. But besides it being a puzzle, just look at the decorative of that it can just sit out and be a beautiful decorative piece for your home. This is beautiful, and it's made out of wood, and I'm sure it's handmade, but this is just really pretty. Thank you, Monique. So like I said, we had lots of choices. If you didn't get the owl, you could have got heart boxes that were a wooden puzzle to open up, and they were very cute too. And you can see a little picture of them when you go to her site. Now, in customization number 7, so we had 7 customizations, so our little gift here was actually 8 and 9 items if you count the 2 as them being 2. In customization number 7, we had a choice of dough bowls. We could have got a black one, we could have got a whitewash finish, or we could have got what I decided to get, and that is this little bowl right here. Look at this, guys. It's very, very nice. It's like handmade, feels like wood. Of course it is wood, And this is a nice little trinket dish. I mean, you could do your dough in there if you want to, but if you want to have something on the dresser or on a stand or a table where you just need a catch-all, like for your keys and stuff, this would be perfect. You could probably even set a small candle down, you know, if you wanted it in there. There's just lots of uses that you could use this for. And I'll have to say it's smooth to the touch, although it's rugged. So does that make sense? It's been sanded down and it feels really nice. And this is a great piece to add to any home decor. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. She's just done an outstanding job. Now, down to customization number 5. In customization number 5, we had a choice of 3, and one of them was a pillowcase that had like little balls on it, and one was a black with black and white stripes that would kind of go with her customization number 1. I picked this pillow. Let me pull it out of here. This is so pretty. It's got a big tassel over here on this side, on both sides, on all 4 corners actually. Isn't that beautiful? And it's nice and poofy, and it's got the nice textured weave on here. Can you see the little triangles? This is very nice, very nice, and this will go great with customization number 1. And you may ask, what's customization number 1? Well, I chose, and I told you guys if I get the chance, I was going to get the pink. And I chose the pink common threads, and this is a huge 50 by 70 throw. It has tassels on the end. It is beautiful, and I wanted to show you guys, in case you didn't see the spoilers, I wanted to show you that the blue one, because I have it here. She sent me this for the spoiler. So I wanted to show you the colors. They're both beautiful. And this is the blue one that I got in my spoilers, and this is the pink one that I got in my customizations. Now when you fold it underneath here, it does have a little bit different pattern, so it could be either or. And like I said, it's very nice. It's very warm. It's a cotton throw. And this is a good quality product. Everything that she had in here was a good quality product. And the same way with the blue. On the inside there, when you look underneath, it may have like a different weave look to it, so it could go either way. But they're both just beautiful. But isn't that gorgeous? And see how the pillow will just go right with it? I mean, it's really nice. She's really thought it all out. It's well thought out. It's a beautiful box, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Monique. This is so exciting. I wish you the best of luck with your box. I love mine. I love all my choices, and I thank you for all the choices. Now it comes down, what's your favorite? Oh my gosh. Guys, how can you pick a favorite out of all of these choices? And then I had to make choices. And it's all so exquisite. I mean, even down to this little soap. This is just adorable. Just so adorable. So as a recap, we got this adorable little decorative soap. And like I said, make sure children know that it's soap and it's not candy. And we got this bowl, which is a dough bowl that can be used for a catch-all, for all kinds of things. We got this owl puzzle that you can hide a special treasure inside, and we got these beautiful earrings, and of course I got this whole bracelet set. And did I tell you how much this box was? I think I forgot. This box is $69.95 plus tax and shipping. Is that awesome or what? That is an excellent buy for everything that I got. Then of course we got the pink colored throw, and we got this beautiful off-white pillow with the tassels. She just outdid herself. I think I've shown you everything. And then as a gift, she sent us this macrame keychain and this nice little bag for decoration. And like I said, this is out of burlap. It's got the little wooden handles, and she's got a nice little green bow on there, and I'm just going to leave it for now because I think I'm going to put some flowers in it, or the poinsettias, or the greenery that I was telling you about. There's so much you could do with it. But you guys let me know, what is your favorite? You guys know how I love jewelry. Oh, I don't know. I mean, I love this bracelet. I love the bowl. I love this. This is so unique, and it's, you know, it's definitely detailed in the carving. I'm gonna put that in my little bowl here. So guys, I'm excited. I'm excited for Monique, and I'm excited for her new business. And I love the pillow, and I love the throw. This was just fabulous, Monique. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Thank you. Thank you for deciding to do this box. I think that you've got a very unique, which I know you wanted to be uniquely nested. And guys, this idea came from the fact that, you know, we're always nesting, whether it's a new family, you get newly married, you're nesting. When you have children, you're nesting. When your children leave, you're empty nesting. And so that is kind of the concept, to make things feel cozy and home, and just nice little things to have sitting around and or wearing when you're out and about for your dinner parties and what have you. Just very lovely. So Monique, it's great. I really like it, and I'm glad I got my box. If you want a box, there are some available. Go to uniquelynested.net and you can go to her customizations and pick out what you want for $69.95 plus tax and shipping. That is all I have today for Uniquely Nested, and be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways and or collaborations that are currently going on. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.